Well, hello again everybody. Welcome back. So this time we have a nice little ISEO padlock 40mm sent to me by Oceanaut from the UK Lock Sport Forum. We can see there reasonably paracentric keyway, it's quite tight, bitting on it is not too bad, so let's give this a go, see if we can get into it. So let's start at the front. Right, two, I've got a very slight little click. But that was it. Four. Nothing on anything else yet. Right, that was one. We got a very slight turn on the core. Right, a bit more turn. I think that was actually four. And right, that's four. I'm getting some counter rotation. Now we've got a nice deep set, deep full set. Three, binding now, counter rotation, and there we go. So definitely some spools in there. I'll show you the key working as well. So anyway, nice little ISEO 40mm brass padlock. Thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye.